Hi guys, this is Anjali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So thumbnail पढ़ के तो आपको पता चल ही गया होगा आज का वीडियो किस बारे में. Okay, this is my very first haul video, so I am very excited and nervous too कि कैसे reviews आएंगे. But let's see क्योंकि मैंने जो कपड़े खरीदे like God I'm loving it. वो शॉपिंग मुझे बहुत पसंद आई है. And today's video is on Myntra haul. So this is a special video because this is a Raksha Bandhan special video. So do watch it till very end. And guys, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि सिर्फ गर्ल्स के लिए ये, boys also just watch this video and share with your female relatives, friends like sister, wife, mama and everyone, like जो भी है उनसे share कीजिए. And this is gonna be a very interesting video, so watch till the very end. Yeah, that's all I want to say. So let's straight get into the video. I bought this kurti, pink kurti, a very pretty kurti, like you know कितना kurti बोल रही हूँ. Okay, so this kurti is a very pretty, like you know this is one of my favorite cloth I've ever bought. Like seriously guys, this color is so pretty and the golden work on this is like you know sone pe suhaga type of thing, icing on the cake. So yeah, I'm in love with this kurti. These strips are adjustable, you can adjust from here, and also it has a very beautiful like golden look on this, you can see that. And it is like you know kind of flary. So yeah, I'm in love with this top. I got this for 419 rupees, and also got this for XL size. So yeah, you can surely go for this because it's worth money and I'm literally happy buying this kurti. Okay. Thank you. Then we'll go with the second one. So there's one more kurti, the black one. This is so pretty, I mean this is so very pretty. Also this also has adjustable sleeves, and also yeah, even this one is for 419 rupees. I received this for 419 and the size I received is XL. Yeah, if you go with the like you know of you know smoky eye makeup, and with this it's just wow. I'm literally in love with this, so definitely. And this is just for 419, it's worth it, I guess. Yeah. So the next one we have is this beautiful green color top, olive green color, and I got this for 560 rupees, and I ordered the size for, I went for the size XL. So this perfectly fits me and I'm loving it. Like you know, it's just that it's a bit it is a bit you know loose from my waist area, but yeah, I'm loving it. It's like so floral like this. Look at this, man, this is so pretty. This gives beautiful look and I love such type of clothes. So yeah, I went for 560 rupees and I think it's worth it because it's just awesome. So next up we have is this pink color top, and I got this for rupees 649. We have this full sleeves, and like you know the only problem I had with this top is before I ordered the XL size, and actually it was very pretty for XL size, but the shoulder area was so loose, like literally I wore this and it just came down. Otherwise in waist area it was perfect. But then I went for L size, like I exchanged the products and I went for the L size. Now it's like कि मुझे shoulder area से बहुत अच्छे से होता है, but waist area से मुझे थोड़ा सा tight हो रहा है, but I am okay with it because it has got the elastic at the back and this elastic is so pretty, like literally, I mean. And guys, like especially healthy people please go for this, it just looks so hot. I mean, I was in love with this. I'm in love with this. Next up we have is this beautiful top. You must have seen me in this top in my last video. And actually my friends praised me for this top because it looked so pretty. It looked so pretty. Like it has this puffed sleeves, we call as gopi bahu wala sleeves, and also then it is like floral print and this flare at the end. I'm in love with this top, like literally. And also you can wear it as a, like, you know, off shoulder top, and also you can wear it like, you know, पता नहीं full shoulder top बोलते हैं शायद I don't know. Off shoulder top also you can wear like that. So, and also we have this elastic in waist area, so it's kind of adjustable. And I bought this for double XL size for 455 rupees, and this material is polyester. So just go for this top. It's so pretty, it's so beautiful. I bought this bag, sling bag, and can you see, like, you know, guys, this color, it's so pretty, this color. I'm in love with this bag. So I got this bag for rupees 4. I got this bag for rupees 489, and you can adjust from here, like, you know, you have adjustable sleeves also. So it's very like, you know, first when I received this bag, it was kind of too long for me, too lengthy for me. So I adjusted it and make it and made it a bit short. So yeah, I would suggest you guys to go for this bag because the material is synthetic leather. And you know, the best thing I think about this is this chain. I mean, wow, man, it looks so classy. Can see this. I also wore this on Independence Day with this kurti only. We have this white color palazzo which I wore on Independence Day on 15th of August, and okay, it has a golden print which you can see, golden or of golden, I don't know. So yeah, I got this for 34 size, and it still didn't fit me. It was kind of loose, so I had to stitch it from my waist area. So yeah, but the you know, this is like, you know, the flare, you can see this flare, it has so much space. So I didn't want to exchange the product for 32 size or some, like, you know, lower size. I just went for this 34 size, even though I stitched it from waist area, but that's completely fine. That's completely fine, I guess. So guys, just go for it. 747, yes, it's kind of huge, but still it's worth the money. And yeah, it goes well with your each, like, you know, maximum of your kurtis. So yeah, so guys, that's it for today, and I hope you like this video and my wardrobe, like, for today's video. If you want more such videos on hauls, please do let me know. I'll be more than happy to do it, क्योंकि मुझे तो कपड़े पहनने मिल रहे हैं नए वाले, और मम्मी इसी बहाने ले भी देती है. हाँ, आई एम वेरी चालाक. सो या, मम्मी वीडियो देखेगी तो मुझे ही पिटने लगेगी. But still, yeah. So if you want such more such videos, then please do tell me in comment section. And आपको आज का वीडियो कैसा लगा, प्लीज़ वो भी बताइए. पर्टिकुलरली कोई ड्रेस पसंद आया होगा, सो वो भी मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए. Okay, and stay well, stay happy, stay safe, guys. Just be happy, okay? And कुछ भी करो, just be happy. Okay, so see you in the next video. I love you all. Bye.